What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. In this video we are unboxing a Super73 S2. My wife's S2 just came in and it's Hudson Blue. Alright, here we go. Just in time for Christmas. It is, Christmas came early. It's December the 8th. Alright, here we go. Get these out of here. I'm wondering if the lights came in, because they say that the headlights for these sometimes come in separately. So I guess we will find out. These stickers out of here. You're gonna need your phone eventually here for the so you can pair it on your phone. Let's try out. All right. No, I take it back. It's here already. Looks like your headlights are already here, so that's good. It has some residue, but all right. Looking clean. Man, this is a V1. It's a V1 motor, so I'm really frustrated. Everyone wants the V3 motors, but I can see from here the hub still has those ribs. Has these ribs right here, which makes it a V1. So that's really depressing, because they said that they keep marketing, saying that they have released the V3 motors. Well, I hope we don't have issues with this. I forgot how to unbox this. Oh yeah, we gotta unclip the sides. Take these out. That's first and foremost, I guess. Okay. Make some room here. Well, at least our welding is good. Fenders there. Hey, you don't have tensioners on this one. So I read that on some people receiving their bikes also don't have tensioners anymore. So we're gonna ask if that's normal. So as you can see, some bikes have this extra chain tensioner here. Is that normal? Man, they're never consistent with whatever they're shipping anymore. We're not gonna worry about charging our battery because we already have a spare that's being charged. These look different as well from what I'm accustomed to. Undo the top handlebars. Undo the screws. So it's pretty much 90% assembled. You just have to do the handlebars and take out the zip ties, the foams, and it should be pretty much assembled out of the box. So once you get your tracking number, depending where you are, it takes about a week to 2 weeks, because they ship it out of Vegas and they fly it. We thought it was just going to be ground, but it came within a week, less than a week probably, depending on where you are. Alright, we're gonna change the seat. We're not gonna want that. Plastic wrap. We'll call it the plastic wrap. Yeah, hey. So have you ever unmounted it with the key? You want me to show you how? We're so excited to finally have two Super 73s simultaneously, so we can take it out for a ride. And I'd like to take it out today if we can. So plug in the key. The lock is right there. Go one way. So while you're holding that, you pop this inwards. Yeah, push this way. And yeah, you're gonna have to put some little muscle to. Yep, slide it out. Okay, now once it's out, it just comes up. You got it? Okay. Alright, everything looks good so far, besides the tensioner. We'll look that up, or comment below if you know if that's the new normal. Make sure you download Super 73 app if you haven't yet, so we can pair this this vehicle to you. And that's how we should treat it, really. It's an electric vehicle. Alright, so you get rid of the bubble wraps here. So normally I would charge the battery first and foremost, so you can get out and get riding. But as you can see here, we're already charging our spare battery. And I love these fenders. These fenders are so much functional, more functional than the RX fenders. Fenders doesn't guard anything for crap. Just make sure that everything is here. Pedals. We're gonna need the pedals. Should be the charger. Yeah, it's much lighter. Definitely lighter than the RX. You know what? These, I don't recall these. Is this? Well, I guess it has to hold this. I don't remember the other S2 having this part. Do you remember that? We're just lifting it up and putting it back to this box so that we're saving space here. So that wasn't too long. Maybe it's really just the handlebars and making sure everything is ordered. But look at this, hon. It doesn't have the tensioner. Some bikes have the tensioner for the chain to I don't know. I think it's to secure it, really. Just put that in there. You work with me on that side of the pedals. It's righty-tighty like this, and then you just kind of hand tighten it, just like that. Here, use this. Righty-tighty. Thank you. You can just rip it. Here. Just put it in here. So this is good. There's already clearance here. Our RX, I had to modify it. So no squeaky noises, nothing rubbing. So we should check on. We're gonna swap the seat almost immediately. I guess we should power it on. We're gonna pair it so that we can get you to unlimited mode. We typically adjust this a little bit, or we put it downwards because we're going to flip the bike upside down to replace the seat. It goes up to 2 RPM. Hey, look, your brake lights work. So we got an upgrade. Okay, well for now, until we got to do a firmware update. Did you make your account yet? Headlights check. Kind of a little too low. I'll make an adjustment on that. But as long as it's working. Update firmware. And then we gotta wait a little bit for this till it finishes downloading. Update will take 1 minute to complete. Please make sure the battery is not low. Oops. Update might consist of 2 parts. First update, reconnect the app, and there's another update available. You can carry it out. 2 updates, or it might. That's different because mine only took 1 update. So let's wait for that. What? Can you change that? I think you can change that. Male or female? It's okay because you go faster if you're male. If you're registered as a male, they allow you to go faster. Alright, let's adjust this light while we wait for that update. Well, you know what? I'm gonna start working on the seat and the accessories while she updates the firmware. Yeah, because right out of the box, it only goes up to 20-25 miles per hour. We want it to go 31 is our magic number. But there she is. Brand new S2 Blue Super73. What are you gonna name her? Oh, we can do the tires while we wait. I think this might be a little too low, but I'm gonna do the tires. We're gonna slime the tires while we wait for the firmware update. Definitely highly recommend this to any bikes, as we did in the previous video. So find the valve. It looks like it's on this side. Release the air with this tool. I'm just gonna lower this a little bit. Alright, let's line you up. Get your road ready here. Put the valves back in place. Put this guy away. And pump some air back into the tires. And now we definitely want to rotate the tires to kind of get the liners mixed in there, so it's not just sitting in one place. Are you done? It looks like it's done. I mean, it says it's not updating anymore. We don't have throttle. What'd you do?
I didn't do nothing.
We have 0 throttle right now. Super 73. What did you do to us? Nothing. What? No, I mean, we should have some kind of throttle. It doesn't have...
What about the lights? Does the light turn on?
I don't care about the lights right now. I want the motor to go. Let me see what you did. We're gonna unpair. Tap. We're gonna repair. Okay. We're gonna repair this guy. Oh, I don't like you right now. What the heck? Oh. Okay, so I just put restore defaults. And okay, that did it. But now we gotta go to unlimited mode. And honestly, I forgot how I did that. Unlimited mode is, I gotta watch my own video again. Oh, here it is. Let me show you this really quick. I keep forgetting it too. You click on top vehicle and then mode selection, and you put that all the way there to unlimited throttle. And that gives you the unlimited speed. Okay, so you're all set. I would turn your Bluetooth off because you don't really necessarily need to connect to this bike. Okay, there you go, 31 miles per hour. Fixed it. They don't make it easy. All right. That's actually good because you only have 20% battery left and you're still going full speed. Alright folks, that's the unboxing of the S2 bike. Stay tuned for when we add accessories on this. And thank you for subscribing. See you guys next time. Peace.